Hello everyone, welcome back again to the PPT template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT template channel. In this video, I will show how to add page numbers in PowerPoint. Let's start. How to adding slide numbers. Open File Presentation in PowerPoint. Go to the Insert tab. In the text group, click Header and Footer. Header and Footer button, check slide number to enable it. Click Apply or Apply to All. Click Don't Show on Title Slide if you don't show in the title slide. How to editing slide numbers. Run PowerPoint. Click Number and Edit to change color, size, and position if all slides. Or go to View Slide Master. Click the slide's number box and edit text size and other. Run PowerPoint and open the presentation in which the slide numbers are enabled. Click View Notes Master, click button, check page number. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from the PPT template channel. Thanks for watching.